of this thing. Delete that. I'll stick that on there. This one. All right, so about basically this.
Yes. All right, now can you fit that where it goes?
So let me just grab that whole figure, 5 shapes, and group that all together. So now this is one big shape. So now, okay.
Preserving it for posterity.
Okay, so how tall is this?
I think that was 200 millimeters.
Yep, 200.
Yep.
I'll put that up a little high at about 500. 200. Set that. I'll then zoom in. The camera is a little hard to control. Try and make it as centered as pretty much physically possible. Okay.
How does that look?
I think that's pretty much centered. That look good. Actually, it's hanging off a little one side, so. Oh gosh, nope, see. Ooh. Move it over by 2 millimeters, so there's a little hanging off that edge. All right, so I think I might have to round those corners. I don't know how the heck to do that. But that I think is good. So let me
All right, what's it look like?
Grab all this.
Let's say group it all.
Group it all together.
Yeah, group it all, and then it should show the indents. All right, zoom in.
So zoom in. There we go. It doesn't go all the way through.
It goes through on both sides, right?
Yeah, it goes in, but it doesn't go all the way through.
It doesn't. It shouldn't. Yeah. I mean,
And then
this is
just.
How do I feel? I don't know how I feel about that.
What?